हाँ, there is no excuse for failure. जो सफलता हासिल नहीं कर पाते उनके लिए कोई भी एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं रहते, ऐसे कुछ। ऋतु।
I agree with Sarika. I wanted to leave today, but Bhabhi said, no excuse, Ritu. So I said, okay, it will do.
Sir, you
Ladies,
have
today's
given a penny
idiom
saved
is
is
I have
found
given
earned. Yes, sir.
with the details with details now.
बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है.
No, actually, whenever I give anything on the board, so I provide the details as well. So, have you got all the details? Meaning of penny, pound,
Yes, sir.
verb, save,
Yes. Yes, sir.
earn. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, have I given you barking dogs seldom bite?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good mind, good find.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you, Sarika, for informing me timely. Is your CC on?
Yes, sir. My CC is on.
Good mind, good find. Can you guess?
अच्छा सोचो तो अच्छा ही मिलता है.
Ask the
मतलब
same question.
जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे.
Very nice. Ask the same question to
Okay. D, can you guess what is the meaning of this idiom?
Good mind, good, fine. कर भला हो भला, मेरे ख्याल से है. I think the meaning of this idiom is कर भला हो भला. Ritu,
ask. Yes.
what should be the नहीं, हाँ, what should be the meaning of this idiom?
Good mind, good find. That idiom's meaning should be uh, कर भला कर भला का हो भला.
आप भले तो जग भला. तो जग.
यहाँ पे हम हिंदी को वैसे नहीं ले सकते जैसे अपर्णा ने बोला, क्योंकि मुहावरों की भाषा अलग होती है, तो हमें वैसे स्वीकार करना होगा. हिंदी मुहावरा ऐसा ही है, आप भला सो जग भला. ओके, सरिका, डू सम क्रिएटिविटी.
Uh, we should go our path, whatever we want to do, because without any expectation, because good mind, find mind. हमें अपने पाथ पे चलते रहना चाहिए बिना किसी एक्सपेक्टेशन के. सर ये थोड़ा सा क्लियर नहीं हुआ मुझे. आप भला सो सब भला मतलब हम अगर अच्छे रहेंगे तो सारे लोग अच्छे रहेंगे, ऐसा ना?
कर भला तो हो भला भी आएगा इसमें, नहीं ना?
उसके लिए दूसरा है, देयर इज अनदर. Guys, let me ask one thing. Uh, have I given you this verb, Aparna? Bahana, banana.
नहीं.
Given? Okay. So let me ask Ritu. Ritu, what should be the verb for bahana banana?
The verb for bahana banana should be mm,
Sir, can I try?
1 minute. Now Ritu will ask you.
Sarika, can you guess what should be the verb for bahana banana?
The verb for bahana banana should be make excuse.
Yes.
Okay. Parnadi, what is the second form of excuse?
The second form of make excuse should be made excuse. Made excuse. What should be the third form of make excuse? Ritu?
The third form of make excuse should be made excuse.
Thank you, ladies. Sarika, have I given you the verb maaf karna?
Yes, sir. You have already given maaf karna.
What is the verb for maaf karna?
Forgive. The verb for maaf karna is forgive.
Thank you. Aparna, have I given you another verb for maaf karna?
No, yes, sir, you have given, but I don't remind.
Ritu, do you remember
I
another
don't.
verb for
Sir, apologize. No.
एक्सक्यूज? जब वर्ब के रूप में काम करता है तो उसका अर्थ होता है माफ करना. एक्सक्यूज मी बोलते हैं ना.
Yes.
Sir, you haven't given this verb.
चलो इसका प्रश्न पूछ लो. कोई सारिका तुम ही पूछ लो.
Aparna di, what should be the verb for maaf karna?
The verb for maaf karna should be excuse. What should be the second form of excuse, Ritu?
The second form of excuse should be excuse. Sarika, what should be the third form of excuse?
The third form of excuse should be excused. Aparna di, what should be the another verb for maaf karna?
Another verb for maaf karna should be forgive.
Have I given? No.
Yes, sir. You have already given forgive.
Okay.
Forgive, forgiven.
Okay, Aparna.
Forgive.
Ritu, you
Forgive,
asked me this question. Ask me, Ritu.
Sir, what should be the another verb for excuse? What should be the another verb for maaf karna?
Ritu, the another verb for maaf karna should be pardon.
Oh.
Yes, sir. You have already given pardon, but you said कि it used earlier, ना? मतलब we used it earlier.
ओके, इसके साथ हम एक और क्रिया देते हैं और पहले पूछते हैं सबसे. और हम ये हमेशा यही बोलते हैं कि दोस्तों माफ करने के लिए मैंने तुम लोगों को 3 क्रियाएं दी थी. अब माफी मांगना के लिए क्रिया बताओ तो क्या वो भी दी है?
Yes, sir. Apologize.
Apologize.
चलो एक चीज और लिख लूं. Sarika, what is excuse?
Sir, excuse is noun here.
अब अगला सवाल अपर्णा से हिंदी मीनिंग.
Aparna Di, what is the Hindi meaning of excuse?
The Hindi meaning of excuse is bahana.
Sarika, should I erase the first one?
Yes, sir, please erase it.
Ritu, should I erase the second one?
Yes, yes, sir. Please.
क्या मैं दूसरा वाला मिटा दूं?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा मिटा दो.
Aparna, should I erase the last one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
you should erase the last.
Aparna, have you written all?
Yes, sir, I have written all.
Sarika, have I given you as you sow, so shall you reap?
Yes, sir, you have already given.
You have spoken out of my mouth.
Ji, sir.
Soft fire makes a sweet malt.
Ji.
We must change to time.
Ye bhi. Ji.
Yes, sir.
Don't poke your nose into others' matter.
Yes.
Practice makes perfect.
Ji.
Yes, sir.
To err is human, forgive divine.
Ji.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Yes.
Ye bhi.
Make a rule.
Yes.
Ji. Ye bhi.
When the God keeps, no frost can kill.
Ji, sir.
Don't teach your grandmother to suck eggs.
Ye bhi.
Get going.
Get going bhi.
A 9 days wonder.
चल भाग ऐसा ना.
A 9 days wonder.
चलते बनो, get going चलते.
He is good for nothing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great cry, little wool.
Ji.
Yes, sir.
Long time no see.
Ji.
Yes, sir.
Out of the frying pan into the fire.
Ye bhi.
Don't take it ill.
No, sir,
Yes,
don't
sir.
take it ill.
अच्छा हाँ. In this batch you did not get.
सारिका, पहला क्वेश्चन क्या करोगी? रितु से करो.
Di, what is the Hindi meaning of don't take it ill? Can you guess?
Don't take a pill.
Don't take it ill.
Don't take it ill. इसको हल्के में ना लो.
Thank you. Very nice. Ask the same question to Aparna.
Aparna, can you guess what is the Hindi meaning of that idiom? Don't take a ill.
Don't take it till. The Hindi meaning of this interactive is बुरा ना मानो. होली है.
Now, Sarika, start. अच्छा, one more question I'm asking. पहले रितु से पूछते. रितु, which chapter does this sentence belong?
सर मुझे अभी तक दिख नहीं रहा. एक मिनट. Don't take it ill.
Zoom करके देख लो रितु.
I am speaking again and again. It is coming on your CC. Don't take it ill. Don't take it ill.
Now
Don't take it ill.
that is visible to me, sir. Don't take it ill. No, sir, no idea.
Okay, so ask the same question to Sarika. Sarika must have idea.
Sarika, can you guess what is the Hindi meaning of that idiom? Don't take it ill.
Di, the Hindi meaning
Hey,
of
what is,
Chapter.
Sarika, can you guess which chapter does that idiom belong?
That idiom belongs to order or request.
बुरा न मानो.
Do some creativity.
जी sir. Sir, one day my son was playing with little girl, and she's 9 months old. So she did not understand anything, and suddenly she raised his hand with on my son's neck. So he little bit hurt. So I said him ki don't take it ill beta, she is innocent. Sir, should I complete the process?
I don't think.
जी अपर्णा दी.
We should um, uh, don't take it till when some elders scold you, because they try to explain and try to share their experience. बड़े लोगों का बुरा मत मानो, क्योंकि वो एक तो बूढ़े हैं और दूसरा वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं. डांट का बुरा मत मानो. रितु.
I will use that idiom in Holi. Don't take it ill. बुरा ना मानो. मैं idiom को यूज करूंगी. बुरा ना मानो.
Thank you, Ritu.
It's okay.
And the similar interactive is the latest is don't get bitter. Don't get bitter. Meaning is same. सारिका start some creativity. सारिका इस बार थोड़ा सा हम चैप्टर बदलें. चलो इसको क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड कर लेते हैं तो और क्लियर हो जाएगा. रितु प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. Sarika, are you getting bitter?
No sir, I am not getting bitter.
Sarika, क्या तुम्हें बुरा लग रहा है?
No sir, मुझे बुरा नहीं लग रहा है.
Which chapter did I use, Sarika?
Sir, present continuous tense.
Please change the chapter and ask any question related to Aparna.
Okay.
Change the chapter.
Aparna di, do you get bitter when someone crack a joke? Means नहीं नहीं. Do you get bitter?
Sometimes I get bitter when somebody bulls me. So I really get bitter.
हाँ
Okay,
कि क्या
really.
Okay, continue.
Okay, Ritu, did you get bitter when mm, did you get bitter when I told you to nee, what should I no, are you getting bitter to attend this class?
No. Do not use same tense. Aparna, this tense is used by me and answered by Sarika.
Okay. No.
Did वाला अच्छा था. Past simple is good. और तुम लोग रियलिस्टिक उसमें चले जाते हो. थोड़ा सा काल्पनिक बनाओ ना. जैसे डिड यू गेट बिटर व्हेन सलमान सेड यू आई लव यू. अरे काल्पनिक बनाओ समथिंग.
Ritu, should we get bitter when someone scolds us?
Yes, Aparna, we should get bitter when someone scold us.
क्या हमें बुरा मानना चाहिए जब कोई हमें डांटता है तो?
हाँ अपर्णा, में बुरा मानना चाहिए जब कोई हमें डांटता है तो. सारिका,
Sarika, have I given you think of the devil and the devil is there?
No, sir.
Okay, Ritu, please carry on.
Okay. Mm, Can you, Sarika, can you forgive that person uh, who, no, sir, pass.
Meanwhile, have you written this another one? It is also related.
Don't take it otherwise.
Ritu, सुनना. Don't take it otherwise. अन्यथा ना.
When
Sarika,
your हाँ जी when your well-wisher advise you, so please the don't take it ill. जब कोई आपका वेल विशर आपको अच्छी सलाह दे तो उसे अन्यथा नहीं लीजिए.
don't take it otherwise. है
Don't
ना?
take it otherwise. हाँ.
सारिका चलो तुम लोग ने नहीं किया हम यूज कर लेते हैं. सारिका चलो रितु से पूछ लेते हैं. रितु, हैव यू टेकन इट अदरवाइज?
No, sir, I haven't take it otherwise. Aparna, have you taken it otherwise? Sir, please come again.
Have you taken it otherwise?
No, sir, I haven't take it otherwise.
Okay, no problem. Sarika, answer.
No, sir, I haven't taken it
Sarika,
otherwise.
answer the question again.
Okay.
क्या तुम्हें बुरा
रितु
लग
दी?
गया है?
नहीं सर, मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा.
बुरा लग गया है?
नहीं सर, मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा. सेम क्वेश्चन. अपर्णा दी, हैव यू टेकन इट अदरवाइज?
No, Sarika, I haven't taken it otherwise.
दी, क्या आपको
Ritu, have
बुरा
you
लग
taken
गया
it
है?
otherwise? Ritu, have you taken it otherwise?
No, Aparna, I haven't taken it otherwise.
क्या तुमको बुरा लग गया है?
नहीं, मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा. Sir, have you taken it otherwise?
Yes, I have taken it otherwise because it was not
Sir,
good.
so your
Your
voice
voice
is chopping,
too much.
and your video is lagging now.
Okay, power. Actually, some repairing work is going on with the inverter, and Wi-Fi is connected with the inverter. Now, am I audible? No.
Sir, you are
Okay.
clearly audible to me.
Okay. Uh, Ritu, which chapter does this sentence belong? Think of the devil and the devil is there.
Sir, I think be present.
Very well. Good. Now ask the same question to Aparna.
Aparna, can you guess which chapter does that sentence belong?
Uh, Ritu, this sentence belongs to be present. Sarika, which chapter does this sentence belong?
I think this sentence is having two parts, and जी, first part belongs to order or request, and the second one belongs to be present.
Well, earlier I thought it is having two parts, but yesterday what
There is
happened? So I
conjunction, na?
thought think of the devil, and the devil is a complete subject.
बिल्कुल सही। और इसी बहाने ये क्लियरिटी और बढ़ती जाएगी। दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग एंड you should not take it ill, you should not take it otherwise if your answer is not correct, because the mistakes are respected in this class. So it's okay, no problem. Think of the devil is order request because it is starting with V1 with वर्क का फर्स्ट फॉर्म से शुरू हो रहा है ना, सब्जेक्ट उसमें कोई है ही नहीं रितु। तो कोई जैसे कम हियर ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट, सिट डाउन ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट, स्टैंड अप ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट, स्पीक अप ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट। वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म से शुरू होता है, सब्जेक्ट होता ही नहीं है उसमें। यू प्राय छिपा रहता है तो उसमें यू छिपा हुआ है। तो ये ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्ट है। थिंक इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, सिंपल। उसके बाद यहाँ पे जब अपन आते हैं, ये कंजंक्शन है एंड इट्स देयर।
अच्छा।
दिस इज बी चैप्टर। चलो हम और क्लियर कर लेते हैं। Sarika, what is the subject in this sentence?
सर किस में? सर मुझे दिख नहीं रहा। सर I can't see anything on the board.
Come again.
Now, now it is clear.
The board
Sir,
was not
which one?
visible.
What was not visible, but devil.
The
Okay.
devil is there. What is the subject in this sentence? The devil is there.
Okay. The devil is the subject here.
Ask the second question to.
Okay. What is the helping verb D?
There is no helping verb in this sentence. Uh, what is here, Ritu?
Is helping work. Sorry.
No problem, Ritu. You can
And
ask.
is main verb here. Sarika, what is there here?
I think there is noun here.
Sarika, just for nothing, अगला question अपर्णा से कर लो।
जी, Aparna Di, what is think here?
Sarika, thing is the one first form of the verb is here. Ritu, what is off here?
हाँ, right, good.
Of, think of. I think of is preposition name. Preposition here. Sarika, what is the here?
The is the article here. Aparna Di, what is devil here?
Devil is a noun here. Object.
इसका और पूछ लो अपर्णा रितु से।
What is and here?
And is the conjunction here.
Good. Ritu, can you guess the Hindi meaning because it is very easy?
Yes, sir. शैतान का नाम लो, शैतान हाजिर.
सही जवाब. Sarika, start.
जी sir. My neighbor and I were talking to each other. Suddenly my maid appeared. So my neighbor said, "Ki think of the devil," and the devil is there. Aparna di.
Devil की devli.
Devil.
My दादी always say that कि शाम को भगवान का नाम लेना चाहिए. तो because think of the devil and the devil is here, always the हमारी दादी हमेशा बोलती थी कि शाम को भगवान का नाम लेना चाहिए, मतलब कुछ किसी और का नाम नहीं लेना चाहिए, नहीं तो ऐसा होता है कि think of the devil and the devil is here. तो शैतान का नाम लो और शैतान हाजिर हो जाता है.
दोस्तों, अगर हम अपने हिंदी और अंग्रेजी की तुलना करेंगे तो हम पाएंगे हमारे यहाँ
बोलते हैं उम्र लंबी हो जाए.
हमारे यहाँ इस सोच, ये सकारात्मक सोच है. हम बोलते हैं अरे बड़ी लंबी उम्र है, अब भी तुम्हारा नाम लिया. दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग इन इंडिया, बट इट इज नेगेटिव थिंकिंग इन वेस्ट. Okay, tell me, Sarika, have I given you the verb and details? No.
Think.
बहुत सारी चीजें निकलती हैं. अगर हमने अलग से नहीं लिखवाया है तो एक बार लिख लो, क्योंकि अगर लिख लिया है तो कोई हर्ज नहीं है, और नहीं लिखा है तो फिर देखते हैं.
जी.
चलो तो तुम इसे शुरू कर देते हैं. What should be the verb for सोचना?
Sir, the verb for sochna should be think. Aparna di, what should be the second form of think?
The second form of things should be thought. What should be the third form of thing, Ritu?
The third form of thing should be thought.
नीतू, हम हिंदी में बोल रहे तुम इंग्लिश में पूछना सारिका से कि थिंक का नाउन क्या होना चाहिए.
Sarika, what should be the noun for think?
The noun for think should be thought. Aparna di, what is the Hindi meaning of thought?
The Hindi meaning of thought should be सोच, विचार.
अब अपर्णा तुम पूछो ऋतु से कि थिंक का एक और नाउन क्या होना चाहिए.
Ritu, what should be the another noun for thing?
The another noun for thing should be yes.
अब तुम यही सवाल सारिका से कर लो बेटा. ऋतु,
Sarika, what should be another noun for thing?
I think the another noun for think is opinion. Should be opinion. Thinking.
चलो बहुत फेमस सेंटेंस पूछते हैं. अपर्णा, व्हाट इज योर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट?
It. It is an subject.
नहीं 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 बेटा, देखो हम कोई चीज रखें उससे अच्छा, सबसे अच्छा इट रख दो, तो वो विवादास्पद नहीं होता। आप कुछ भी बोल दो किसी भी विषय के बारे में, मतलब थोड़ी देर पहले हमारी किसी विषय पे चर्चा चल रही है और अचानक हमने पूछा व्हाट इज योर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, नहीं आया क्लियर, तो
Yes,
हमसे
sir.
पूछ लो, हम एक जवाब देते
What
I'm
do you think of?
about
What are you
हैं।
thinking about
ऋतु
it?
को पूछने दो, ऋतु को पूछ लेंगे।
what are you
ऋतु
thinking about it, sir?
बोलो, पूछो व्हाट इज योर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट।
What is your thinking about it?
अरे ऋतु, सी it is never good for any country. See, Afghanistan was never a bad country earlier, but because of rebels and the terrorists, the president or the prime minister or the king had to leave Afghanistan, and he he reached England, and now Afghanistan is ruled by the terrorists or rebels. So I think my thinking is this is not good. कुछ भी ले लो भाई उसमें। अभी अफगानिस्तान का जो जो भी वो प्रेसिडेंट या प्राइम मिनिस्टर था, बेचारा भाग गया, अब वहां पे उनका टेररिस्ट का राज हो गया, तो जी अच्छा थोड़ी है, दिस इज नॉट गुड, दिस इज द विक्ट्री ऑफ इविल ओवर गुड, ये तो बुराई की अच्छाई पे विजय हो गई ना। तो ऐसा इट लगा देने से, सी लेडीज, विवादास्पद नहीं होता है, आप कोई भी विषय पे कुछ भी बोल दो, ठीक है। सो सारिका, व्हाट इज योर थिंकिंग अबाउट?
Sir, my thinking is कि UNN should take a strong and right decision against for Talibani, because most of the Afghanistan means most of the Afghanis, those are localites. They are suffering from so many bad conditions. So UNN should take strong decision.
राइट।
Aparna di, what is your thinking about it?
Well, Sarika, my thinking about online classes or virtual classes is a upbringing of the new era, and it is a amid in corona or pandemic. During pandemic it happened is automatically, but after some time it will be happen. So it is good thing, and I appreciate this for the teachers and students as well. Nowadays what is going on, they will have to learn, they are learning new things and new ideology and new uh, means they are getting up so many things nowadays, or they are working on it. It is good thing, and I appreciate this thing. What is your think, Ritu? What is your thinking about it?
I'm daily thinking about Talibani, what they are doing, what they will do, and I think we should pray for Afghanis.
ऋतु, थोड़ा सा टाइम मिले जब बीच में, तो ये जो आज हमने पूरा लिखा है उसको व्हाट्सएप पे वैसे लिख के भेजना अगर मिले तो, ताकि जो लोग एब्सेंट है उनको पूरे डिटेल। टुडेज इंटरेक्टिव सेंटेंस इज, टुडेज आइडिया मींस डिटेल। कोई को भी means it will be just for a practice purpose for me.
Okay.
So now should we conclude or as
Okay,
you
sir.
say?
Conclude the class because
तो
I'm
दोनों की
happy.
बात हो जाए रह जाएगी, रितु की भी बात हो जाएगी and
Thank you, sir. My neck is paining right now. Thank you so much.
bye. Thank you for
Take
joining
care,
us.
Di. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Bye. I'm little bit busy. Tomorrow I'm going leaving
Ah,
for
acha.
Jabalpur. I'm
Okay.
getting ready
But
for
you
it.
thought
I'm picking up all the stuff today.
you said na ki you will go on
But my
Sunday.
mother-in-law said it's okay. There is no
Okay.
botheration about it
Okay.
because this is the festival and we can celebrate anytime.
Okay. That is
So,
very nice.
hmm.
That's
Not just
why.
his thinking
Hmm.
is her thinking is so